Hey everybody, Zachary Bach, your real estate professional. Today we are out here in Wolf Creek. Temecula has some amazing communities, and Wolf Creek is definitely towards the top of that list with its sports parks, access to great oak, and of course all the creature comforts that come with being in an amazing community. This new home is almost 3,400 square feet, and it is absolutely beautiful. You can see here as you enter the home, huge front room with plenty of space for a table, a pool table, a ping pong table, and anything else that you might want to put in your front room. Directly off of the front room, you have the living room. Now the living room has ridiculously high ceilings. You could probably put a 25-foot Christmas tree in here. As you can see directly behind me, it's got this beautiful kitchen. The kitchen has a very large island, plenty of cabinet space, but really one of the nicest things about this kitchen is the pantry. This pantry is absolutely gigantic, and it can hold literally everything for your entire family, which is really nice because usually people always say the pantry is too small. Not in this house. Directly off the kitchen as well is there's actually a downstairs bedroom with a full bathroom. At the top of the stairs up here, they have this really nice little kind of reading area set up over here. Great for those people that just love to dive into the books. It also has a built-in desk. So if you've got people that need to study, need to do stuff, this is a great area to do that. Let's take a look at this bedroom. The bedrooms in this house are decent size, tons of natural light in the bedroom. It's got a couple of windows, just a great size room. The next thing is actually the bathroom up here. So the bathroom up here, double sinks. Kids don't need to fight over the sink. Toilet and shower back here. And then you also have another bedroom here, very similar in size to the previous bedroom, same amount of windows, good size room. I think this is probably a queen size bed for reference. Right next to the bedrooms, of course, upstairs is the laundry room, which is really nice, not carrying your laundry up and down the stairs. Got a sink in here. A lot of people ask me for that. They want sinks in their laundry rooms. You do have a very good sized loft. I think that this loft was probably an optional bedroom when this house was built. So good sized loft up here, great spot to corral the kids upstairs so they're not making a mess downstairs. Now let's go check out the master. It has a retreat over here, plenty of lighting, and then just a huge amount of space. The master bathroom, also very, very large. You've got a double sink vanity, separate shower and soaking tub. You also have separate closets. So you have a closet here and a pretty good walk-in closet here. I'm about 6 foot, so my arm span, you can guess, plenty of room in here. Let's go check out downstairs. While we're heading downstairs, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about Temecula as a whole. Temecula has some amazing schools. Great Oak High School is one of the top high schools in the state. You're about an hour to an hour and a half away from Disneyland and places like that. So it's a really, really great spot to just live in general. Let's go check out the backyard. So this house has a large barbecue built in, pretty good sized backyard, definitely big enough that if you decided to put in a pool, you've got more than enough room to put in a pool. Pretty good little side yard over here, but I want to show you this side. One thing that you could actually do with this home, which is unique, is not a lot of houses have room for it, is you could potentially put an RV parking right over there. So if you have any questions about this listing, feel free to give me a call, 951-401-5025. My name is Zachary Bach, your real estate professional. Thank you so much for watching.